Today we're going to be testing out the Riva ride plate versus the factory ride plate on a Yamaha FX Cruiser HO. We're going to test the top speed and then we're going to talk about the difference in handling.
Alright, for this we're going to be using the GPS on the GoPro, GPS on my phone, and GPS on the dash. So between the three we should get pretty accurate read.
I'm going to quickly change the ride plate out. This only takes about 10 minutes. It's only 4 bolts and the ride plate will just fall down. And then we'll put the new ride plate on and go test it out. So here's the difference between the ride plates in size. Go ahead. You can see how much larger the Riva one is. So we're gonna put some Loctite on the bolts. We get our torque wrench, torque it down.
All right, let's see what we can do.
So it does seem like we picked up about 1 mile per hour with the Riva ride plate. While I'm pleased with the 1 mile per hour gain, this isn't the reason why I purchased this plate. I ride a lot in rough water and I needed something to help the ski track straighter through choppy water. This completely changed the way the ski handles. It's much straighter in the chop, picks the bow up much faster on acceleration, and bites harder in the curves. As you can see from these 2 videos, the Riva ride plate really smooths out the FX HO, and I think it's worth every penny. If you want to see some more Wave Runner content, go check out the other videos in our channel.